To accompany the range of fuses that we sell on tvtrade.ie, we decided to do a quick video on how to change a fuse on a plug and the different type of plug designs that we might encounter. So we have in front of us here the two main designs. The first one here is your sort of traditional plug where you need a Phillips screwdriver and the plug, the fuse is actually in the center of the plug. And then we have the sort of more user-friendly ones here where the fuse is actually just tilted slightly. It's actually in a sort of a plastic casing here, so you can actually just pull out the fuse, change it without the need to actually take the plug apart. So I'll just start off with this plug here. So just get our Phillips screwdriver, we just twist in an anti-clockwise direction. We only need to undo this one central screw. So all we're trying to do here is just take off the cover. So at this point here we have the cover off. We can check it's a 13 amp fuse we have here, okay? So what I'm going to do is just get a fuse, or my screwdriver here, just push it underneath, I pull out the old fuse. So we'll just put that to the side, make sure not to mix it up. I'll get my new fuse, which I'm going to just lift into focus here now. It's a 13 amp fuse. And all I do now is I simply slide this into position, make sure we're getting metal contacts on both ends. I get my plug here. The great thing about this, the design of these screws is that it's impossible for the screw to fall out because it just doesn't slide all the way out. And just turn in a clockwise direction now, lock it into position, and that's the fuse changed. Now with the other one, it's actually even simpler. What we do here is, I'm just going to turn this around, hopefully it'll be a good angle for you, for the filming. What we do here is you can just see there's a slot here. So we just put a flathead screwdriver in here, and we just lift out the entire fuse like that. So we just check here, it's a 3 amp fuse. So what we want to make sure is that we're going to replace it with a similar amperage fuse. So we check here, we have a 3 amp fuse here, we push this in. Now, the important thing here is if we underspec the fuse we're replacing with, we might have a problem where the fuse will constantly blow. If we overspec it, it's much worse because it's actually a dangerous situation. You see how smoothly that just clicked back in. Because this is designed, say this is for a set-top box, this is designed that if anything larger than 3 amps goes through, the fuse will actually blow. So replacing it with a 5 amp or a 13 amp fuse would definitely be unsafe and cause electrical fires. So it's just a part of the range of the 3 amp, 5 amp and also 13 amp fuses that are available on tvtrade.ie.